Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2015 government pastor question. Question number 9 says a mode of production in which the resources of a community are pulled together for the general well-being of the people is called dash. A mode of production of which resources of a community as a whole are pulled together for the general well-being of the people is called dash. A. Communism. B. Communalism. C. Socialism. D. Capitalism. Capitalism is a mix of private ownership. The socialism is a mix of state ownership. Then communalism is the means of community ownership. Then while communism is the highest stage of socialism. So option B is correct by this explanation. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.